Hey, so I just wanted to make a quick recording real quick to show you what I'm doing as far as creating scrimmages. So I'm working on the scrimmage for 8th grade, and I've already got the scrimmage created. So remember, to do that, you go to assignments on the left-hand side in the class. You would pick the group in which you want it to be in, the scrimmage. You would click the plus sign, then select the assignment, which would be quiz, and then you would go in and do the details from there. But as far as once you've already got the quiz set up, this is what you do in terms of adding information to the quiz. So I've already got it set up. I've already got it added to the module. I'm going to go up here to edit, and I'm going to go to questions. Okay. And for this purpose, you can either find a question or you can add a new question. Since the last scrimmage, and we'll look at this, since the last scrimmage, I'm going to be adding some questions from the last scrimmage. I'm going to click on new question. So what you do for this, I'm looking at the old scrimmage to determine which ones they got wrong, or most of them got wrong. So you go to quiz statistics. All right, and for this particular scrimmage, this last scrimmage that they did, looks like this one, only 87 of them got this one correct, and then this one, 80% of them got this one correct. So all I would do here is copy and paste over, literally, copy and paste. So new question. Put your question in, and then one by one you would add your answer responses. But you want to make sure that you put the correct one in the correct place so that it is graded correctly. Let me do this real quick, and then I will, oops. So I've added this one. This is going to be one of the review. The multiple choice are only worth 1 point, so you can leave it at 1 point. You want to make sure you have 4 responses for these scrimmages. For this, it's a benchmark basically, because state test, they're not going to give them a 50-50, or there's not going to only be 3 responses. Make sure there's 4 responses, and then just click update question. I'll go back and add the other review question once I'm done with this recording, but I just want to show you another way to add questions. So I already went back through and looked at the last exam that they took in between these 2 scrimmages. So I'm going to pull some questions from the last exam. So as long as it's not an exam that you created, and this is a bad example, the 8th grade class, the course bank is actually messed up. So I'll have to do you another recording to show you the course bank. I'll have to copy and paste for these. I'm sorry. Bad example. But adding a new question, let me just show you real quickly. We want to do an essay question, and we would just change it to 4 points apiece. Remember, there's 2 essay, which are the extended response at 4 points apiece, 4 multiple choice at a point apiece. 2 of the multiple choice are review, 2 of the multiple choice are new, which is from that content the past 2 weeks in between these scrimmages, and then the extended response are both new. So you could just add those from that question bank, and again, I'll make you another recording and show you how to do that.